Alright, we're recording the sewer line here, 10th Avenue West, date September 9th, 2019. This is a video I'm making after jetting this line out a second time. So I was out here 9 months ago, jetted the line, cut out all the roots, made a video. Since then, there's been quite a bit of root growing back. So we got some pretty aggressive root systems here on the line. So I'm at the common line here, the shared main, about... I don't know what we are, about 90 feet out, I'm guessing. Maybe, that's a guess, so I could be wrong. We'll get a footage count on the top right of the screen there. So you see big offset there. It's a number of big offsets down here. I want to get an estimator out here to come take a look. A big offset there. Another large one there. Little dangler, floppy root that wouldn't come out. But here, the problem is these offsets is what's causing the problems. There's well, that's not what caused the potential clog today, but that was an issue. So we cut out all the roots. Here we had some roots coming in through quite a few of these seams. You'll see where like the jetter's gone through and cut out. That's just little tiny stringy ones that don't really come out. See the pipe's getting a little pockmarked from the equipment that's gone down it over the years. So back in the plastic now. So, or that's not plastic, that's I think that's asbestos concrete is what that is. So quite a bit of, here was I think where we clogged. It wasn't clogged when I arrived on site, but I think this is the spot. There was quite a big root coming through there, so you can see I cut it out. There's also a good lip on the pipe right there. Let's see how the camera kind of stops. It's a good lip there where that root's coming in. Would be a good spot to line the pipe, I think, or a good candidate for a liner here. Again, there's pretty good sized root coming in there. Cut that guy out. And here we go back into the clean out. Again, there was a root coming in right where the ABS plastic hits that clay. Cut that out. You see here's part of the old roots I've cut out, kind of sitting in the line. So, line's open and flowing. Back in business. It's going to wrap up the video.